Imagine a meme or a billboard on the highway describing how you show up at work. What would it say? What's your professional brand? How others would describe you in a sentence or two. Would your professional brand include any buts? She's smart, but she doesn't follow through. He's the best sales guy we have, but he's a complete jerk with internal partners. They meet their commitments, but I wish they were better at problem solving. She has great ideas, but doesn't always execute. When you're managing your professional brand, the buts matter, and you can build a better brand to address these perceptions. If the hard work you've done on your butt isn't paying off, it might be time to address these perceptions. Start by defining your aspirational professional brand. Complete this sentence. I want to be known for, or I want to be remembered as a teammate who. Once you know how you want to show up, the next step is to ask people for their honest perceptions of your professional brand. If you've got a big butt, it's better to know. As part of our leadership development programs, we invite leaders to go on a listening tour to ask a couple of questions about what's working and what they could do better. You can do that too. Think about one aspect of your professional brand where you would like some feedback. Craft a few open-ended questions and go get some diverse perspectives from people you trust. For example, when you think about our work together, what are 2 or 3 words that you would use to describe me? Or what is one element of my professional style that positively impacts our team? Or if you could suggest one way for me to show up differently, what would that be? Next, let others know what you're working on and why. It takes time to change perceptions. If you let people know what you're working on and why it matters, they're more likely to notice your change in behavior. Of course, as you're working on your professional brand, you don't always get everything right. Change takes time. So if an old behavior slips in, the best way to improve your professional brand is to admit it. I'm sorry, I really screwed this up. Are powerful words when working to build trust. Don't hide it or pretend the slip didn't happen. Your teammates already know when you've made a mistake or a slip back into an undesirable behavior. And most importantly, don't give up. Improving your professional brand takes time. Stay focused on consistently doing the right thing.